So he sent me a MacBook Pro, but he removed the MacBook Pro. He sent me a MacBook Pro, but removed the MacBook. And chat said ungrateful. The mail today looks like a helmet of some sort. Why is there a... This guy just sent me a chastity belt. There's more. What the fuck? What the fuck? There's more. What are you sending? I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know what this is. I'm so concerned on so many different levels. You guys said ungrateful? I'm ungrateful. Translate it. Yo, guys, translate this. What is he saying? I'm so fucking concerned as to what this message could be. Have you translated it? Have you translated his message? So this guy, I'm 95% sure, runs an international sex toy company. Please don't tell me the camera caught that.